Hello and welcome to another episode of Beacon Wins Science. In this video, you are going to learn some of the amazing hacks and tricks of Microsoft Excel. By learning these tricks, you can apply this in your profession and improve your Excel knowledge. Whether you are a professional or you are a student, you all must learn these tricks of Microsoft Excel. Hello, I'm Aman Bajpai and today I'm going to show some of the secrets of Excel that will help you in your profession. First thing which I'm going to tell you today is how to create a drop down list. Let's open the Excel and suppose we want to make a data list for date and month. So just write all the days and all the months here. And now you want to make a drop down list. So for that, just go to data. From data, go to data validation. Here you have to select from this any value to select it list, and then go to source. Here click here and select all the data which you want to put in your list. Now put enter. See, it is selected from A3 to A9. All these things are selected. Now simply click OK and you have made your drop down list C. And now you can choose any one. For example, today's Friday, so I have choose Friday and here it is. Now again for month, if you want to make, again you have to go to data, then to go data to data validation. After that, if it is a list, then choose list and source, then select all the data what you want to put in the drop list. Now enter, again go to OK. Here it is generated January to December. Anything, if you want to choose May, choose so Monday, May. So that's how you can create a drop down list by Excel. Hack number 2, wrap your text. How you are going to wrap your text in Excel? Let's see what is wrap of text. Suppose I have to write wrap your text. Now this is going out of my one cell and it is going to the other cell also. So it is not looking good. How can we wrap it? So either we can increase the length of this cell and then it will look fine, or else what we can do, the best way to do this is go to home. Here just by selecting the cell and then go to wrap text. That's it. Now the cell size will expand and all your text, whatever text you will write, it will come in one cell. You can write more thing in the same text. You have written so many things. Now again select the cell and the whole thing will be wrapped here in this cell. So that's how you can wrap your text. Now let's learn how can you transpose between rows and column. Suppose if this is your data, this one is your data, and if you want to make this column into rows and convert this rows into column, how can you do that? So it is very simple. You just select all the data and copy the data, and now where you want to put your transpose data, select the cell and now right click here. After that, go to paste, and in the paste you go for special, paste special. Go to paste special and now you have to select this transpose. Okay, and the data will be transposed. So like that you can transpose your rows and column in Excel. Now the next thing, which is very important, how can you combine the data of the two cells into one cell? So let's take an example. Suppose first name and the last name is given. Now in this cell you want to combine the data of the first name and the second name together. How can you do that? So there is a formula for that you can apply. Write equals to, select this one, put and sign. That and is actually the one which combines the two data. And now select the other cell. Press enter and you can see the two data of the two cells get combined. But there is a problem in this. There is no space between the name Aman Bajpai. So if you want to put the space between them, then what you can do, there is a correction that you can make here. Put the quotation mark here too, and between this quotation mark give a space. And now before D, put one more and, like that, and that's it. You can see there is a space between the two data. As much as space you want, you can give it by giving more and more space between the two quotation marks. Like that, simple. And now if you scroll it, you can see all data get converted into a combine of two cells. That's how you can combine the data of two cells in one cell. Now this trick is secret. How can you hide your formula? Suppose, take an example. So I have given a formula this to combine these two cells. Now if I don't want this formula to appear here, what can I do? Select the cell and click on the right side of your mouse and then go to format cell. Here you can see so many things. Go to protection and in that protection, hidden, and then press OK. After that you have to go to review. After review you have to go to protect sheet. Now you have to give the password for your protection. Suppose I have given 1 2 3 4. Now this password I have given, you have to press OK. Again you have to re-enter the same password 1 2 3 4. Now you can see the formula has disappeared. That's how you can hide your formula. Now if you want to regain the formula, and if you want to see the formula, what was the formula, then you should go to unprotect sheet and here type the password again 1 2 3 4. OK, and then the formula will again reappear. Now one more secret thing that we can do in our Excel is to hide our data. Hide our data means, like suppose if we have some data entry which we don't want to show it to others, then we can simply hide the data. For example, take an example of this. Suppose the first name, last name, full name and salary. If we don't want to show the salary, we can actually hide the salary by using this trick. You just have to select all the data which you want to hide and then go to format cell. Again now go in the numbers, you have to go to custom. Okay, the sample it is showing that 80,000 and now here it is written general. You have to delete this general and you have to put 3 semicolons. 1 2 3 semicolons. That's it, and put a sign. Now your salary is disappeared. In the next topic we are going to learn how can we put zeros before any number. Suppose if I put 00735, which may be a number or roll number of anyone. Now if we go to next, the zeros will disappear. So how is it possible to put the zeros before the number? Click right key of the mouse and then click on the format cell. Now here again go to custom, number custom, and then remove general and put hashtag 1 2 3 and now put 0 1 2. You can see by putting zeros you can see here in the sample it will appear 3 zeros before the 7 number. As many zeros you want. Suppose you want 2 zeros, you can reduce the number. 1 0, you can reduce the number, or if you want to increase the number, you can put many zeros. Like this will appear in your sample cell, the cell which we have chosen. So now press OK and you can see the zeros before the 7. So that's how you can put zeros in your cell before any number. Now if you find this video informative and you want me to make the part 2 of this video, then one thing you have to do, share this video as much as possible. Keep supporting your channel Beacon in Science. Also subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the like button. Also comment me down below which trick or hack you find the most interesting. See you in the next video.